15. Tolerance. When I moved some years ago into a major urban area, it took me a while to get used to street noises and night sounds. Because they were unfamiliar sounds, I heard them all. In a year's time, I was so accustomed to them that I heard none of them. Then, when I moved into this mountain area out in the country, I heard the coyotes howling at night after night. Very soon I ceased to hear them. Last summer, when our daughter-in-law remarked about the nightly serenade by coyotes, I realized that I had not heard them for a few years. It was too familiar a night noise for me to be conscious of in the slightest degree. Now, this illustrates why we cannot use our feelings and experience as a test or standard. We readily develop a tolerance for many things. Our tolerance for pornography, national corruption, profanity and sin in general has greatly increased in the past generation. Things once held to be intolerable are now hardly noticed. What was once shocking on television, for example, is now tame fare, and what once destroyed a politician's career is today no problem. In brief, our level of tolerance is a false standard. This is why Isaiah declares, quote, "To the law and to the testimony, if they speak not according to this word, it is because there is no light in them." Isaiah 8:20. We cannot use our thoughts and feelings as a standard. Only God's word is the test. We ourselves readily develop a tolerance towards sin and evil. God's word remains the unceasingly clear and uncompromising word. The result of becoming tolerant towards sin is that we become intolerant towards God and His word.